To make this gluten-free, I used a gluten-free all-purpose flour and added 2.5 cups of flour, 1.5 cups of evaporated cane juice sugar, 2 teaspoons baking soda, 1 teaspoon salt, a tablespoon of cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon allspice, and 1/4 teaspoon ground cloves. The original recipe calls for regular all-purpose flour, so this can be gluten-free or regular. Then I added 3/4 cup oil and 1 15-ounce can of pumpkin, 3 eggs, and beat that slightly. The original recipe calls for walnuts and raisins, but I was making these for kids, so I decided to add 1.5 cups of chocolate chips. Then with my trusty silicone muffin pan, I scoop 1 large heap into each well. Now you don't have to spray these or anything because they're completely non-stick, and as soon as I found out about these trays, I did not ever use a regular muffin pan again because they are amazing. And I baked it at 375 for about 15 to 17 minutes. And as you can see, they pop out like you would not even believe, just fall out. No spray, totally non-stick. I love it.